In order to complete the assignment for this week, you will need to know how to format an entry for a newspaper or a magazine. This presentation will show you how to do both in MLA style and APA. Let's begin with MLA. First of all, you may decide to use Diana Hacker's guide. We would then click on number 40, which explains how to format an entry for your bibliographies for articles found in databases. Number 40, work from a database. Here you'll see three different examples. The first one is an example of how to format your bibliography for a journal. The second one shows you how to format your entry for a magazine. And the third for a newspaper. Notice that when formatting an entry for a magazine, you include the month and the year. When formatting an entry for a newspaper, you include the day, month, and year because it's a daily publication. And pretty much everything else falls in place. Let's now compare this to how to cite a magazine and newspaper article in APA. When citing a newspaper or magazine article using APA style, I suggest that you go to number 34 in the drop-down menu, labeled Article from a Database. This example only illustrates how to find or how to format an entry for a scholarly journal. In order to format an entry for a newspaper or magazine, the instructions up here suggest that you start with the publication information for the source, and it points you to this URL. However, this is an incorrect URL, but what we want to go to is item number 8. So I'm going to go up in the directory, click on number 8, and notice it is an article, a format for an article in a magazine, and number 9 is format for an article in a newspaper. So if we click on magazine, we have an example of an entry for a magazine article. Print. Notice that the entry includes the year and the month because it is a monthly publication. The entry should then conclude with either the DOI or retrieve from, and then the URL of the publication, National Geographic in this example. When formatting an entry for a newspaper in APA, we include not only the year and month, but also the day because it's a daily publication. As for the page, we include the section number, in this case D, and the page. The citation is then completed with either the DOI number or retrieved from and then the URL of the publication. So this short presentation should help you complete the assignment for this week. And if you have questions, please email me. And let's get started with the exercise.